Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip our accounts, and we have some new glitches to talk about as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start this video off with a glitch, and this is a really good glitch. It's a freebie plus gives us overage. Now I'm not quite sure what happened with this coupon, but it is just now showing up on my account this morning. So some of you guys may have had this coupon in the past few weeks, I'm not quite sure, but it's just now showing up for me, so I wanted to go ahead and share it with you all. This is a $150 off one digital coupon for the Nature's Truth vitamins. This coupon is glitching and it is working on the Nature's Truth vitamin C found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those today. Use this coupon before it expires, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 50 cents in overage if you still have the older systems at your store. If you have the newer systems, it's just going to make it completely free. So either way, make sure that you use this coupon before it expires today. And now we're going to go ahead and jump right into the rest of our new Dollar General digital coupons. Next up, we've got a $150 off one for the Crest Baby Toothpaste Training Kit. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We've got some Fiber One. We've got another Herbal Essences. We have some new Gain DG store coupons this week. Now, this is going to vary from account to account. On one of mine, I received a 7 off 30, and then on this one, I have a 10 off 40. So go ahead and clip that one. We've got another Nature's Valley. Some accounts received a 1 off 1. Others have a 50 cents off 2. So be careful about that one. We've got 1 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Then we have a 1 off 2 for the Doritos. So these are on sale this week, 2 for $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We've got a 3 off 2 for the Colgate, Tums of Maine, and Hello toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, those are the lowest priced item at $3 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. Then down here, we have a 3 off 1 for the Gain products. So these are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working with the Tide laundry products, so those are also priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. 2 off 3 for the Dr. Pepper 7-Up Canada Dry A&W 12 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $12, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 3. We have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 3 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White Pro Series toothpaste. Those start out at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Moving on down, we have a 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. So if you want to pick up the eyeliners, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. We have 50 cents off for the Huggies wipes. A 1 off 2 for the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the multi-purpose sprays, those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the small travel size or trial size Lysol multi-purpose cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So you can pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $1 for 2. Alright guys, next up we've got a 1 off 1 for the Hello products. Now this does work on the deodorants and the toothpaste, so depending on what you want to pick up, you may not want to clip this one to your account. The Hello toothpaste start out at $5 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. But we also have that Colgate 3 off 2 coupon. Those also work on the toothpaste, alright? So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, we've got that 150 off 1 for the Nature's Truth vitamins. Now that one does expire today. I'm not quite sure why it's just now popping up on my account, but we talked about that at the beginning of the video. Next up, 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. So these are priced at $6.75, or they start out at $6.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We got 50 cents off for the Tostinos pizza rolls. Those are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. Now you may have a higher value coupon on your account for 75 cents off one. So just be aware of that. We've got ground beef. We've got a 1 off 1 for the Downy products. Those start out at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 1 off 2 for the Tostinos chips and salsas. So those are on sale this week, 2 for $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. Then we have a one-off one for the Playtex and the Carefree products. If you want to pick up the Carefree liners, those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have a buy one, get one free on the 20-ounce Pepsi and Mountain Dew Zero Sugars. So those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25 for 2. 50 cents off one for the Hidden Valley Ranch products. So if you want to pick up the little dip seasoning packets, those are priced at $2.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. So that'd be a good filler item. Silk almond milk, 2 off 6 for the Progresso soup. So these are on sale too for $4. So if you pick up a total of 6, that's going to put you at $12. After the coupon, you're going to pay $10 for 6. We have a one-off one for the Kotex products. If you want to pick up the 50 count liners, those are priced at $3.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Pretty good deal on those. We have Clairol, Kingsford Charcoal, Huggies diapers, and Nabisco. Go ahead and clip all of those to your accounts. All right, next up, we've got 75% off one digital coupon for the Tums. So if you want to pick up the 70 count berry flavored, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 24 count Tums. So those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. So a pretty good little deal there. We've got pull-ups, Mott's, Yoplait yogurts. So these start out at $3 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2 boxes. We've got $2.50 off of 8 for the Gerber's foods. So if you want to pick up the little jars of food, those start out at $1 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 8. We've got 2 off 1 for the Garnier skincare products, 2 off 1 for the Robitussin. If you want to pick up the 10 count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Moving on down, we've got L'Oreal Paris Hair Color, Theraflu, Astapro, Advil Respiratory. All right, next up, we got 25 cents off one for the Canine Carryout Dog Treats. So these start out at $1. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 75 cents. So that would make for a really good filler item on Saturday. Next up, $1.50 off one for the Cantu Hair Care products. If you want to pick up the gels, those are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.75. Then we have Depend, Polydent, Hellmann's Mayo, Super Polygrip, and we have this one-off one for the Maxwell House Coffee. Now, here's one we need to talk about because these are on sale this week for $8.50. Some of those are normally priced at around $12. So they're on sale for $8.50, plus we have this one-off one coupon, so that's going to be paying $7.50, which is a great deal. But this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on these smaller 11.5 ounce cans. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $5. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Airborne products. So these start out at $7.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Next up, we got a 3 off 1 for the Tide laundry products. Again, these are priced at $15.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. We have Folgers, another 3 off 1 for the Zarbee's products. So these start out at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the Tylenol. These start out at $5.15. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.15. We also have a 4 off 1 for the Zyrtec products. If you want to pick up the children's 12 count, those are priced at $12.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.85. Then we have a 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer cat litter. We've got a 1 off 2 for the Lipton soup products. These are priced at $2 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Pretty good deal there. We've got a 1 off 1 for the Sparkle paper towels 2 count. So these are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. We have a 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring Soft Soap Body Wash. So these start out at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. We've got a 3 off 1 for the Neutrogena products. So if you want to pick up the scrub, those are priced at $8.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.65. 2 off 1 for the Tylenol, 1 off 1 for the Aveeno face products, 6 off 2 for the Febreze plug-in refills 3 count. Now these are priced at $13.50 each. So after the coupon, you're still going to pay $21 for 2, which is absolutely ridiculous, but we'll go ahead and clip it to our accounts just in case something pops up. I was just like, wow, those are really pricey. Now, we do have this 2 off 1 for the Screamin' Sicilian pizzas. Those are on sale this week for $7, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Alright, next up, we have a $1.50 off one for the Palmer's products. So these start out at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.45. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on these small 2.1 ounce hand creams. Those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. So another pretty good little filler item for Saturday. Next up, $3.50 off for the Dollar Shave Club products. So if you want to pick up the razors, those are priced at $8.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.60. Or you can also pick up the 4-count refills. Those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Moving on down, we have 2 off 1 for the Aleve, 3 off 1 for the Crest 3D Whitening. We have a 2 off 1 for the Mars Candy, 25% off for the Kiss brand hair accessories. So if you want to pick up the do-rags, those are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Then we have a new 2 off 7 for the Reese's, 50 cents off for the True Living trash bags. Those are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7. 1 off 1 for the DG Health nasal spray. So those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Now this coupon is also glitching and it is working on the Rexall nasal sprays as well. So those are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Alright, next up we have a 3 off 10 for the Hershey's Valentine's Day products. Body Armor, 50 cents off for the True Living paper towels. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 1 off 2 for the Coca-Cola, 1 off 1 for the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends products. Unfortunately, our manufacturer coupons expired yesterday, so that would have been nice to have both of those in the same week, but it didn't line up that way. Alright, next up we got a 1 off 3 for the Coca-Cola 6-packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 3. And then we have the True Living bath tissue and an instant savings of 10% on the Lowe's gift cards. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.